If you want to find exactly what you're looking for on X, formerly Twitter, then advanced search is one of the most useful tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you how to use advancedx.com or Twitter search step by step so you can narrow down results by date and get more accurate searches. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to the search bar on X and type in your keyword. This can be a word, phrase, hashtag, account name, or topic you want to look up. Once you've entered your search term, simply hit enter on your keyboard to bring up the results page. Now, on the right side of the search results, look for the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open more search options. From there, select advanced search. This will take you to the advanced search panel where you can refine your results much more precisely. Inside advanced search, you'll see different filters that help you customize your search. One of the most useful options is setting a date range, so you can only see posts from a specific period of time. This is great if you're trying to find old tweets, recent mentions, or posts from a certain event or time frame. You can adjust the results by choosing the range of dates you want, and then X will filter the search to match that time frame. That way, you don't have to scroll through thousands of unrelated posts. It's a simple but powerful way to get better results in seconds. Once you've set your filters, you can review the search results and find exactly the content you need. And that's how you use advanced search on x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides just like this one.